This is mosque, totally underground. God knows how many years old this is. And the way look at the structure is, alhamdulillah. It's like there's a big gate there, and then